Hey, everybody. Nick Stover with the Collective here, announcing a brand new workshop, and that workshop is to the White Sands National Park in New Mexico. I've only had the fortune of being to White Sands one time, and that one time I was there, I was completely blown away by the incredible beauty of this vast and incredibly unique landscape. So for me, that first night, I got blown literally all around the dunes by a sandstorm. And the next morning, when I returned, it was completely different conditions, intimate landscapes, the opportunity to spend some time with the local wildlife, and a wide variety of just really unique white. You don't see anything quite like this anywhere else. So when Nathan St. Andre, our lead workshop instructor, decided to put a workshop together, I couldn't have been more excited. For us, this workshop is going to be really unique. First and foremost, we've applied for and we expect to receive the permits to be able to stay after hours. This enables us not only to do night photography, but it also is going to enable us to be there at the key times for sunset. We'll also be exploring the nearby Oregon mountains, which are absolutely incredible, and also take some time to process our images and learn from each other within the classroom setting. So this is a great opportunity. We'll be staying at the local Hampton Inn, great accommodations close by, and all accommodations and travel will be taken care of as well. So hope to see you there and take care.